Avery. So, well, you seen that snake? I made a stupid mistake. Oh my gosh, it's so, holy crap. That's not good. I went in the ditch and my tire went up against my fender and it cut my tire. Yeah. I think we're about to finish making an edit of our truck. But hey, why don't we get one back there? There are the trees and all that. Alright. Okay. And yeah, I'll show you all this, dude. Oh my, I'm so stupid, like, actually. Oh, so freaking stupid. I got an internet back here or anything. Dang these bumps. I gotta hit them slow. Gotta hit it slow with the roll on my bow. Whoa, I'm rapping. Oh my gosh, no way. I think I'm capping. I gotta find a place to make this video. I'm gonna be smacking. Oh, I think it's a good looking place. There's like a dang maze up in here. Maze. Feet above. Alright, sounds good. Alright, so let me show you all this. It literally cut through the tire. That's freaking insane. All the way. That one's not that bad. This one. Oh my gosh, this one's probably the worst. Look at all that. Dude, holy crap. Really cut through it. I'm so stupid. Oh yeah. Oh. This side ain't that bad. A little piece flapping. Alright, I made it back home. I probably would end the video at. This is what my tires look like. All of them. Oh! Bro. You didn't have $3,000. But yeah. Welcome back to the channel. I think I might start vlogging like lately and all that. But I don't know, it's give me something to do. Like instead of just making edits on the truck. Like I need to get more into like other stuff and all that. Right now it's me, my buddy Avery. I made some videos with him and our buddy Ethan. He drives a red 610 Power Stroke, and the Avery drives a Silverado. I think this is Z71. Yeah, it is. Right now we're really just riding around and all that. I got my neighbor, this cool thing. Got it's black ice. It's pretty cool. All that. But yeah, we're just really just riding around, doing some stuff. I was doing stuff earlier, but dang, it's so quiet in here. I was playing music, but I can't like play music and like Oh, I got mud on my door. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay. Sounds good. I'll just follow you. Oh, dude, that car's still behind us. Oh my gosh, my tent's gonna be all, gosh. Oh my gosh, my tent's gonna be all scratched up. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. But yeah, I'll probably keep this video like 5 minutes long. Really, I guess I just talk a bunch, start yapping. I don't know, I'm just doing stuff, trying to really do whatever. Yeah, I got some mud all over the door and all that. I haven't really been driving my 4-wheeler that much lately. I used to a lot when I was like younger. I don't know, I just don't do it no more. Gosh darn it, you're driving so slow. But yeah, that was pretty cool. The lights are like flickering on it. It's really, really pretty out here. Pine trees and all that. Really pretty. Yeah, I've really been up really to nothing. Just football and working. That's about what I've been doing lately. And then I've been trying to get in a boat. If I get a boat, I could make a lot of like fishing videos and all that. Make a lot of videos with a boat. I can make videos with my truck too, but it's really just edits. Kind of getting tired of doing edits. I really don't like do that much. I do have one I need to post on my YouTube. I post on my TikTok, but yeah. But yeah, I need to start like, posting. I've been thinking like lately about vlogging and all that. Really is what oh, my stupid exhaust is doing that stupid noise again. I don't know why it does that. Never mind, I won't hear it no more. It's weird. But yeah. Really haven't been doing that much lately. I've been just messing around. Oh my gosh. Can y'all hear this? I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know, but it makes me mad every time I hear it. It ruins my day. I don't know why. Me and my dad looked and looked and looked. Maybe I'll just put a new exhaust system on it. Exhaust. Ugh. I cannot talk. Yeah, it's about like 2 years old, I think. The exhaust on it. Yeah. I've really been trying to have a stronger relationship with God lately too. I've been slacking. I haven't really been reading my Bible that much. I've been trying to like get back into it more and all that. But oh, look at Avery. Who does Avery think he is passing me? I think I've been down this. I've been down this road before. Alright, I'll back up to y'all when we do something fun or something happens. Alright, bye. Okay, so we are actually going on a different dirt road now. I just put on the camera on my phone like 5 seconds ago. But yeah. I'm not gonna try to keep this video way too long. I had one video was like kind of long and he got like 103 or 5 views. I don't really know. But yeah. I've been on this road before, I think. I don't exactly know. Ethan said he's trying to take me somewhere. Alright, hold on. There's a snake. That's a stick. Never mind. All right, now we're turning it around. We're on that dirt road. I'm turning back around. Learn how to drive! Oh, shoot. Okay, this camera angle is terrible. But yeah, I'll pick y'all up on the next road or whatever. Alright, we're on the next dirt road right now. Oh, there's some ditches there. Full of water. Oh. I think when my exhaust starts doing that, I can say that back, no. Like when it gets like hot and it starts doing that. But like, I've like, holy crap. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try to spray Avery. Oh, dude, I gotta wash my truck. I hate washing it, like mud. Especially when dried up mud's on it. Oh, the animal ball. I don't remember what I was saying. Crap. What? Dude, there's glass right there, and I'm not going through that with my truck. If I had my four-wheeler, I would. If I had my four-wheeler, I would go through it, but I'm not going through that with my truck. You go through it. Why, you scared? Avery! Go through it! I'm vlogging! Go through it! That! I like a mud truck. I like a truck I don't really care about. I'll go through it. But I've been in ruts and I don't want to get stuck. And then my dad's gonna be on my tail. Oh, you gotta do that out there. Oh my god. Oh, they don't look funny. No, they don't look too bad. That's not. I can't even see it. Oh, I've been. Oh, is that? Or creep right through it. Oh, crap, that's a pretty house. Dang. We're in the middle of nowhere right now. There's a house just like this. Some people got money. It's insane. A PB&J on the ground? Oh, but I can't stand when I wave at someone and they don't wave back. Look at the land out there. I'm about to say field. Insane. Oh shoot, I'm about to go in the ditch. Oh, I hate that noise. But yeah, we go up on next thing. I don't know if this guy's gonna get on to me or not. So I'm just gonna ease around him. Nope, he's not. Okay. That would be pretty funny though. I used to get in trouble all the time. Running my fool everywhere. What about people? I did that back. Never mind. I really didn't. I have before. Like, oh, I did that back quite a few times. I have. There's one, we weren't even tearing out the road or nothing. We was just right in this water hole side of the road, and the lady was like, "You don't need to stop tearing up the roads. The county's mad and all this and that." someone took the stop sign down there, and it was like me and my buddy Caden, would he even touch on the stop signs? There's some other little heathens. Like, the county is floored. The county is so mad. And I'm like, woman, I said, well, we didn't do none of that. Like, well, the county's mad and all that, and our house is flooded. Her house is not even like in a mile radius where we were even at. Oh. Alright, we just found a snake in the road. The chicken right here is like pretty big. It's raining. I think it's a moccasin. Ooh. Oh. Look at him. Oh, he's looking at me. Oh shoot. Run him over! Look at that snake. Gosh, I ripped my freaking... Dude. I just ripped my dang tire apart. Dude, I just ripped my tire apart. Oh, dude, I'm so stupid. I bent that. Dude, I'm an idiot.